Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to create a stunning design like this without being a designer, and just within a minute, this video is for you. Today, I'll quickly show you how Recraft AI works and why it's one of the best AI tools for design. Recraft AI is an AI-powered design tool that helps you generate logos, icons, illustrations, and brand graphics using text prompts. Unlike normal image generators, Recraft focuses on clean, professional, and vector-based designs. Let's create an image using Recraft AI. Just enter the text or prompt you want to create. I want GTA 6 image, and here it is. You can also create icons and illustrations. For example, simple flat AI laptop icon, vector style. Once the design is ready, you can download it as SVG, PNG, JPG. SVG is especially useful for PowerPoint and logo editing. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI and productivity tools. Comment below if you want a PowerPoint or thumbnail design video using Recraft AI. Thanks for watching.